So I am done with my skincare. My face is fully moisturized so that I can easily start my makeup, which is the main thing of today's video, because you guys already know how to prep your skin before start your makeup. And if you don't know, then check out my previous videos, that how I prep my skin. Or if you want a dedicated video on this, that how to prep your skin before start your makeup, then let me know in the comment section below. So first I will start with my eye makeup, and later I will concentrate on my face, because this eye look is the main thing of today's video. It is a summery, pastely or yellow look. Yeah. So before applying the eyeshadow, I would like to apply foundation, or you can use concealer, because as you can see my eyes are looking a little bit reddish. These are dark circles, but it's looking reddish over here. So yeah, I need to cover it. Already I have applied this Aroma Magic under eye gel as my primer. Will not end it up with crease, so that's why I have used this under eye gel as a primer. Okay, now I will not talk with you guys too much that I will apply these and all this. I will just stop talking and I will start with my makeups, and just watch this video thoroughly. Okay, don't skip. Don't ever dare to skip this video, because if you skip, you will not able to get this look. So yeah, I guess I am close enough to why I am using a makeup brush to apply this concealer. I am applying foundation, because this brush will give you more coverage, I guess. Maybe it's my perception, but yeah, brush will give you more coverage. And if you want seamless effect, then you can use your a beauty blender, or if you want a natural looking effect, then you can use your fingers. But I want both, that's why I have used this brush and my fingers. I need to brush my eyebrows in a proper way. Yeah, I am using my old mascara wand, and I kept it. Now you can see that how helpful it is. See the weight, can you see the difference? So I am giving you another beauty tip. So if your mascara over, then keep this mascara wand. It will help you out. I am using this brush, yeah, and I will apply this color. And if you're wondering that from where I have bought this all brushes, sorry girls, I have bought these brushes from Club Factory, which is banned now. First I would like to wet this brush so that it picks the yellow color so well. That's why it's very important, because yellow is very light. Yeah, can we? I need more pigmentation, so yeah, that's why I'm applying again. I think I should use my fingers, yeah, or maybe it will give more pigmentation. Let's see. Okay, I didn't expect this. I want to clean this area. Okay, now I am going to pick this orange or coral color. For this I am going to use this flat brush, and yeah, I have bought these brushes from Amazon, and if you are interested, then let me know. I will I'll link it down in my description box below. Want too much pigmentation over here. I guess I need to use my mirror. Yeah, now it's looking so gorgeous. Yeah, it's pretty much okay. So yeah, now I need to blend it up well with this yellow. Well, now next step is to cut your crease. Yeah, I love the cut crease look, I mean eye look, and I guess I am doing it in my YouTube channel for the first time. To cut my crease, again I will use the foundation. Yeah, I will. Did you just watch that how I do my cut crease? It's very easy to do this. The thing is, all you need is the patience. Yeah, nothing more than else. Now I'm going to blend it up very well so that there is no harsh line in my cut. Concealer over here again. Otherwise you will look like that you have wear a mask. Also, I have saw a meme on this fact. If I found this, then I will put it on my screen. Yeah, I guess my base is looking good. Too much, but it's I am happy with my face makeup. Eyebrows. Eyebrows, it looks so sharp and perfect. I am happy with my eyebrows. Okay, now it's time for eyelashes. So first I would like to curl my eyelashes. Yeah. Mascara. This mascara is great for lengthening your eyelashes. Wow, it looks so gorgeous. I can't wait anymore to do this again. Blush खत्म कर लूँ. Yeah, it's very easy to do. Just apply on your cheeks and it will give you more younger effect, and this part is my favorite. Yeah, I love to do this. Don't go guys, because अभी भी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, अभी भी बहुत टाइम लगेगा. Okay, I'm going to use these two lipsticks, and this for the peachy corally color and this for the glowy. Can you see the color? I can dye for this. Can you see this color? I love this color, and so many girls asked me about this lip shade. Yeah, I'm not lying. This is fact. They asked me that which shade you have applied. Trust me guys. Okay, now I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Cream Plus Primer Lipstick, and the shade name is Nude Dust. Yeah, I remembered because I have used this lipstick in my last video, that's why. Colossal sketch pen liner. Yeah, I don't know what. See? Oh god. Can you see the instant change of my eyes? Apply this white kajal in my waterline. I can't control this. I really love this makeup look. Oh god, I'm in love with this. It looks so fresh and dewy. Oh, I need to apply highlighter. Where is my highlighter? Yeah, got it. But I guess I was looking great with high bun. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, now this is my final look. Yeah, I am in love with this look. I can die for this look. It looks so summery, so I just can't get over from this eye look. I'm in love with this look. Oh god. So this is it for today's video. I hope you love this video. Also let me know in the comment section below if you love this video, and yeah, I'll be happy if you comment down that what video you want me to do. Yeah, also don't forget to like this video because algorithm is all over the place, so it's important to give a like. So one like is very important to me, so don't forget to do this. But you are not ended up subscribing my channel, guys, please, it's free of cost. Do subscribe to my channel. Also share this video. If you like this video, then share this video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye. Okay, now I'm going to use this white kajal pencil to